तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैं घर पर था। I was at home. I was at home. तुमने मुझे फ़ोन क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? मैं बहुत व्यस्त था। I was very busy. I was very busy. तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैं सुबह आया। I came in the morning. I came in the morning. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? हाँ मैंने खा लिया। Yes I did. Yes I did. क्या तुमने मुझे याद किया? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? हाँ मैंने किया। Yes I did. Yes I did. तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? मैंने एक अच्छा वीडियो देखा। I watched a nice video. I watched a nice video. तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? मैं बाजार गया था। I went to the market. I went to the market. किसने दरवाज़ा खोला? Who opened the door? Who opened the door? मैंने खोला। I opened it. I opened it. क्या बारिश हुई? Did it rain? Did it rain? हाँ थोड़ी देर हुई। Yes, it did for a while. Yes, it did for a while. तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? मैंने कुछ फल खरीदे। I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. तुम देर से क्यों आए? Why were you late? Why were you late? रास्ते में ट्रैफिक था। There was traffic on the way. There was traffic on the way. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने सच कहा। I told the truth. I told the truth. क्या उसने मदद की? Did he help? Did he help? हाँ उसने की। Yes he did. Yes he did. तुमने दरवाज़ा बंद किया? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? हाँ मैंने किया। Yes I did. Yes I did. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा। No I didn't. No I didn't. तुमने इतनी देर क्यों की? Why did you take so long? Why did you take so long? मैं रास्ता भूल गया था। I got lost. I got lost. क्या उसने फ़ोन किया? Did she call? Did she call? हाँ उसने किया। Yes she did. Yes she did. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? मैंने मैसेज नहीं देखा। I didn't see the message. I didn't see the message. क्या तुम सो गए थे? Did you fall asleep? Did you fall asleep? हाँ मैं सो गया था। Yes I did. Yes I did. किसने तुम्हारी मदद की? Who helped you? Who helped you? मेरे दोस्त ने। My friend did. My friend did. क्या तुमने चाय बनाई? Did you make tea? Did you make tea? हाँ मैंने बनाई। Yes, I made it. Yes, I made it. क्या उसने माफी मांगी? Did he apologize? Did he apologize? नहीं, उसने नहीं मांगी। No, he didn't. No, he didn't. तुमने क्या पहना था? What did you wear? What did you wear? मैंने नीली शर्ट पहनी थी। I wore a blue shirt. I wore a blue shirt. क्या तुमने दरवाजा खोला? Did you open the door? Did you open the door? हाँ मैंने खोला। Yes, I did. Yes, I did. किसने लाइट बंद की? Who turned off the light? Who turned off the light? मैंने बंद की। I did. I did. तुमने उसे क्या दिया? What did you give him? What did you give him? मैंने उसे एक किताब दी। I gave him a book. I gave him a book. क्या तुमने चाय पी? Did you drink tea? Did you drink tea? नहीं, मैंने कॉफी पी। No, I drank coffee. No, I drank coffee. तुमने किससे मुलाकात की? Who did you meet? Who did you meet? मैं अपने पुराने दोस्त से मिला। I met my old friend. I met my old friend. क्या उसने तुम्हारी बात सुनी? Did she listen to you? Did she listen to you? हाँ, उसने सुनी। Yes, she did. Yes, she did. तुमने इतनी जल्दी क्यों की? Why did you hurry? Why did you hurry? मुझे देर हो रही थी। I was getting late. I was getting late. क्या तुमने होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? हाँ, मैंने पूरा कर लिया। Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it. किसने तुम्हारी मदद की? Who helped you? Who helped you? मेरे भाई ने। My brother did. My brother did. क्या तुमने कुछ खोया? Did you lose anything? Did you lose anything? हाँ, मैंने अपना पेन खो दिया। Yes, I lost my pen. Yes, I lost my pen. तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? मैं भूल गया था। I forgot. I forgot. क्या उसने तुम्हें पहचाना? Did she recognize you? Did she recognize you? हाँ, उसने तुरंत पहचान लिया। Yes, she recognized me immediately. Yes, she recognized me immediately. तुमने कितनी देर इंतजार किया? How long did you wait? How long did you wait? मैंने 20 मिनट इंतजार किया। I waited for 20 minutes. I waited for 20 minutes. क्या तुमने नाश्ता किया? Did you have breakfast? Did you have breakfast? नहीं, मैं जल्दी निकल गया। No, I left early. No, I left early. क्या उसने सच में ऐसा कहा? Did he really say that? Did he really say that? हाँ, उसने कहा। Yes, he did. Yes, he did. तुमने क्या सीखा? What did you learn? What did you learn? मैंने एक नया शब्द सीखा। I learned a new word. I learned a new word. क्या तुमने टिकट बुक की? Did you book the ticket? Did you book the ticket? हाँ, मैंने कल बुक की। Yes, I booked it yesterday. Yes, I booked it yesterday. तुमने किसे बुलाया? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? मैंने अपने दोस्त को बुलाया. I called my friend. I called my friend. क्या तुम खुश थे? Were you happy? Were you happy? हाँ, मैं बहुत खुश था. Yes, I was very happy. Yes, I was very happy.